We got something really special here. This is a 1967 Plymouth Belvedere 383 4-speed car, all original. It may have 3,000 miles on it. My friend bought the car. He bought a few other cars from a man who actually passed away from the family, and we're just trying to create a value. But this car is awesome. No AC, no power steering. The car was repainted, but my friend had it done, which he shouldn't have. But this looks like the original vinyl top, 2 seams. It's really great condition. The car was garaged. With a 4-speed, all original, which is really awesome. Just trying to create a value and see how many were made. I gotta do some research. Just took the car out, it's gonna put it on the road, runs and drives perfect. Still registered, 67 Belvedere. There's the VIN number. If we get any help of the value, or anyone may be interested, the car may be for sale in a couple of months, but it's got aftermarket tack gauge. It's showing 3,708 miles. Oil temperature, voltage, original radio. There's some temperature gauge up there as well. I'm not sure if that's factory. The sun gauge up there as well. But supposedly the guy only used it for racing. So it may be just 3,000 miles back and forth to the track. Locally here, you had Islip Speedway, and you had West Hampton. There's the motor. So we're just trying to find out what we think the value is. But with the 4-speed, it's pretty cool. I mean, the motor looks brand new. Could be 3,000 miles. I mean, it's just dusty. It was in the garage. And then my friend had it repainted. It's pretty awesome. I like the 383 emblem on there. So guys, what do you think this car is worth? Goes down the road perfect. I mean, look at the coil. Is that the original coil? I mean, it looks like it. Is it a 4-barrel under there? Yeah, it looks like a 4-barrel under there. Is it a 2-barrel, 4-barrel? I'll take that off. Let me see. If anybody can help us out, sorry about that. Yeah, there you go. There's a factory tag on it right there. Sorry guys, but dual snorkel. Moving the camera around too much here, but bear with me. So without the 4-speed, it's pretty cool. Tighten that up. Here's the VIN number. Romeo Hotel 23 Hotel 71227 920, 67 Plymouth. And look how clean this is. I mean, it's pretty awesome. I don't know why he had the car sprayed, but it's all there, guys. Please contact me at 631-885-1988. The car does run and drive. I mean, the interior is like awesome too. There's the VIN. Door closes great. So we're trying to find out what the 67 Belvedere is worth with a 4-speed. AM radio. I'm not sure if those gauges are correct. I'm not really a Mopar guy. But it's got the Chrysler. That's where it was bought. In Port Jefferson, silver Chrysler Plymouth. So we only have 3,000 miles on it, guys. It's the original holder for the owner's manual with the original business card. That's amazing. Another sticker up there, but it's pretty awesome. Alright guys, if anybody wants to call me some information, please help us. 631-885-1988. I bet you there's 3,000 miles on it. But follow me on Instagram and YouTube. Jerry Middleman Battaglia, finding classic cars all over Long Island, New York. Follow me on Instagram as well. Guys, thank you so much. 67 Belvedere, 383 4-speed. Have a great day.